Hi, I'm going to show you today how easy it is to replace the screen on your HP touchscreen laptop. As you can see, this screen is totally busted. I was going to pay somebody to repair it, but luckily I had a friend that told me that I could take care of it myself. He explained the process, recommended the website laptopscreen.com and walked me through everything I needed to do, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the screen. First thing you want to do when you're working with any electronic is to make sure that it is powered off and then remove the battery. Now we know we're not going to be shocked. So you make sure you get the right screen. You want to pop your current screen off and get the model number off the back, so you can easily plug it into laptopscreen.com and see all your options. I'm going to do this repair with two very simple tools that we had from replacing an iPhone screen. We have this little guitar pick and this handy dandy screwdriver. So the first step, you take this little guitar pick and you go around the outside of, I'm going to call this the frame, I don't know the technical term, and you just pop it out. There's little plastic tabs every so often. You want to do this very gently to not break any of the plastic tabs. I like to get a little cup to hold my screws in because it will take a short time for your screen to come in. My screen came in 3 days. I ordered it on Sunday and it came in on Wednesday. We're going to be removing just 4 screws. These 2 screws on top on either side, these 2 on the bottom. These tools are also sold on the website. We were just fortunate to already have them. But the right tools make any job easier. So I have loosened this. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. And I'm going to slide this screen forward. And on the other side. And lay it down flat. To take care to not pull it too hard because it is attached with this connector here. So we're going to peel back this tape and then loosen this connector. Okay, and we're detached. The screen is out. Flip it over. Note the model number. And this HW:1C, you go to laptopscreen.com, plug in your model number with this additional information. There was a matte or glossy option. This screen is definitely glossy, so we chose that. And 3 days later, our new screen's in, and we're ready to install. The screen came in this box, opened it up, it's very well padded. Screen. It's got a plastic layer of protection on it. You can see the hookups are the same. lay it on here and get it installed. So our first step will be to take this connection. I don't know the technical term for it, but it's just the connection that connects the computer to the screen, and plug it in. When it clicks fully, you know it's in, and then tape it down. Okay. We're gonna lift the screen up. Make sure it's tucked in. Everything lines up. And we're going to start putting our screws in. It's always a good idea to take a picture before you disassemble, so if there's any questions when you reassemble, you've got the reference. This one's pretty hard to mess up though. If I can do this, anybody can do this. Last one. This repair probably would have only taken me 10 minutes if I had not been videoing. Since I've been videoing, it took me about 15. When you put this on, you want to attach it at the bottom first, because you want everything to line up. And tilt the screen back a little bit to get it in there. Okay, and then you just click it into place. Make sure it's secure all the way around. Don't push on your screen. You don't want to bust your new screen. Okay, we're gonna put the battery back in and see how we did. Oh, I forgot to remove the protector with the frame off, but that's not a big deal. I'll pop it back off and remove the protector. Let's see. Just like that, good as new. This repair cost me $60. Like I said, I would have had over $100 in labor. So save yourself some money. Do the repair yourself. Check out laptopscreens.com.